Deliberation on matter and spirit. No, chapter 12. Oh, it's a Bhakti Yoga chapter. Advaishta sarvabhutanam maitra karuna evacha niramo nirahankara samaduka sukha shami. That one, huh? He who hates no one, who is friendly and compassionate, free from possessiveness and egoism. And equal in the face of pain and pleasure. And patient. In this section, Krishna describes the internal symptoms of a devotee, stressing the very root of the advanced devotee's spiritual qualities that will cause him to manifest devotion to Krishna. The spirit here is Krishna's pleasure in describing his devotees, because Krishna is speaking here about his devotees. Krishna drives home the point that devotion to him in and of itself gives rise to all good qualities, ornamenting the soul of his devotee. Very nice point. Rather than trying to acquire these qualities independently, one should just serve Krishna and they will come automatically. At the same time, developing these qualities is part of the attempt to love Krishna.